Check this out. This is my favorite can opener. It doesn't look like much, but I've been looking for a can opener for a while, and the reviews on this one was really good, so I thought I'd check it out. I mean, I know it's just a can opener. What could be so special about that? But here, let me show you. Especially with something like this. Can of smelly old cat food, this El Cheapo cat food. Let me show you. First of all, we got that. The can opener locks right on the can, which is awesome. So if you were to open like a can of vegetables or something that needed to be drained, you just cut halfway around, you can take it over to the sink and drain it out, which is really awesome. Okay, fine, it's a can opener, and it cuts really good, it cuts really smooth. So here's what makes this can opener special, especially with a smelly, nasty can of cat food. It's got the magnet on the end that you can pull the top out, even if it sinks inside, and you don't have to get your fingers all nasty with that smelly cat food. Then you just shake that into the trash and then you're done. So what's so special about a can opener? Well, it's got to cut smoothly, and then that's an extra added bonus that pulls that lid right off there without having to touch that stuff. So I'll put a link in the description of exactly what this is and where I got it. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.